Get ready with me for the biglaang no nocturnals ball. I'm gonna use, of course, the softest peptide cream. For those of you who have been following me ever since before pa sa YouTube, alam nyo na I have problematic skin. Now na parang more than half of my life ay puro pagpapaganda ang aking inaatumpag, I was able to learn yung mga ingredients na babagay at nararapat sa aking skin. So, yung peptide, ito yung nakapagpakalma talaga ng aking skin. So, hindi na ako tinutubuan ng acne, wala ng acne marks, and even mga fine lines na pabawasan. Although, hindi naman din ako perfect, I am a trans woman na mahilig magpuyat. So, trans woman meaning may sumpa, mahilig magpuyat meaning may another sumpa. Alam ko po na mas maputi ang aking mukha sa aking katawan. That's why I'm using two shades. Ito yung aking normal shade, si Natural. At ito namang si Toasted Almond. Ginagamit ko siya or minimix ko sila to make it darker. And for me kasi, beauty is a lifelong process of trial and error. Naranasan ko maging maputi, naranasan ko maging morena, at parang mas nagagandahan, mas komportable, mas confident ako with morena skin. Sa concealer, I'm using Vanilla by Lucky Beauty. And for my contour, I'm using Melt by Easy. Now, since ang peg ay ice queen, I wanna use a cool toned pink blush. This is called Milkshake from Easy. Oh, sobrang pigmented, sobrang tingkad. Kadalasan actually yung mga morena, natatakot sila sa gantong color. Feeling nila hindi bagay sa kanila. But makeup knows no rules, guys. Kung komportable or bet nyo yung gantong kulay, go right on ahead. I also wanna put some right on the tip of my nose para ginawin effect. Now, watch this. I'm not gonna put on a powder on top of everything to set it. Kasi feeling ko baka masira ng powder yung mga kulay na nilagay ko dyan. I'm just gonna use my softest beauty mist para nga i-seal lahat-lahat. And I promise you, kahit hanggang pag-uwi ko from that party, buhay na buhay, buong-buo pa rin tong magiging makeup natin. Soft gray shadow all over my lids, cutting them with concealer, and setting that concealer with Shimmer Shadows by Easy. Love using this shimmer shadow. Sobrang dali nilang gamitin, especially for events. And for this event na Halloween, I want to emphasize my eyes. So I'm using Falsies from Glad King and Easy Liner pang tight line. Now for the fun part, bumili din ako ng face stickers. And this is just an easy way to elevate your biglaan Halloween makeup. For my lip combo, Candy K Lip Liner by Kylie and She Better Work by MAC Cosmetics. Last step, of course, our softest beauty mist para tumagal talaga ang ating winter makeup look. Now for the outfit, accessories, and shoes, I'm super excited, especially sa shoes. Go to part 2 or part 3 na ata to.